Welcome to day 3 of the Navratri series on Mininita. I am Mini and today we are celebrating the vibrant culture of Karnataka by creating a traditional grey Mysore silk Pattu Pavada with a peach dhavani for Barbie. Paired with exquisite Karnataka jewelry, this look is perfect for the festive season. Let's dive into the rich tradition of Mysore silk and Karnataka's grand Navratri festivities. I am going to use this luxurious grey Mysore silk for this outfit, known for its unparalleled sheen and elegance. The grey Pattu Pavada will be paired with a soft peach dhavani. Mysore silk is known for its durability, smooth texture, and rich cultural significance. I am going to begin by measuring and cutting the grey Mysore silk for the Pattu Pavada. This traditional long skirt, worn with a dhavani, is perfect for festive occasions. I will make the blouse with the same fabric. The peach dhavani will drape beautifully over Barbie, adding a touch of softness and grace to the ensemble. Mysore silk is a lightweight fabric, so giving the skirt a lining will give the skirt better structure. Mysore silk is one of the most prestigious and luxurious types of silk in India, originating from Mysore, Karnataka. Its specialty lies in its fine texture, rich sheen, durability, and intricate craftsmanship. Despite its delicate appearance, Mysore silk is highly durable. It retains its texture, shine, and beauty for decades when maintained properly. Mysore silk holds a special place in Karnataka's cultural heritage. It is commonly worn during festive occasions like weddings, religious ceremonies, and of course, Navratri. Now that the stitching is complete, it's time to dress Barbie in her grey Pattu Pavada and peach Davani. The soft drape of the Davani across her shoulder, combined with the flowing silk of the Pavada, creates a look that's both traditional and festive, perfect for Navratri in Karnataka. No look is complete without jewelry. I'm going to make traditional Karnataka style jewelry to complement Barbie's outfit. The intricate designs inspired by temple jewelry include a statement necklace. I will make a gold necklace with a crescent gold pendant with stones and pearls, the koket hathi, a jimiki, a neti botu, which is a mang tika, and a nose pin. These pieces bring out the richness of the outfit and are a nod to Karnataka's royal heritage. Navratri in Karnataka is celebrated with grandeur, rich traditions, and a deep sense of cultural pride. The celebrations in Karnataka are particularly known for the famous Mysore Dasara, a royal version of Navratri that has been celebrated for centuries by the Mysore royal family. The grandeur of Mysore Dasara, combined with the warmth of community celebrations like Gombe Haba and Ayudha Puja, makes it a unique and cherished festival. Here she is, Barbie dressed in her elegant grey Mysore, silk Pattu Pavada, and peach dhavani, adorned with Karnataka jewelry, and with a bindi and gajara to complete the look. She's ready to celebrate Navratri in Karnataka's traditional style. Navratri in Karnataka is celebrated with grand processions, temple visits, and community gatherings. Thank you for joining me in creating this beautiful Pattu Pavada for day 3 of Navratri. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Mininita for more fashion inspiration as we continue our Navratri series, celebrating the beauty of Indian textiles and traditions. See you tomorrow for day 4.